Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CGS.insight. Here you will find a monthly compilation of concise and relevant current affairs. I hope you will find it useful. Let's start. इस वीडियो में माह दिसंबर इस वीडियो में दिसंबर 2024 की In this video I have collected December 2024 current affairs. Here first point, Italy's surrogacy law sparks controversy. Meghalaya is set to host the Megong Festival 2024, 13th National Seed Congress 2024 will be held in Varanasi. India and Asia Development Bank signed $98 million horticulture loan. The government of Arunachal Pradesh has launched Mission Arun Hingveer, which aims to improve market access for agriculture and horticulture products. Next, Maharashtra received the Skoch Award for Public Service for the year 2024. The Asian Development Bank has appointed Masato Kanda from Japan as its 11th president. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently addressed the 59th All India Conference of Director General, Inspector General of Police in Bhubaneswar in 2024. ISRO's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle (PSLV) will take off from Sriharikota on December 4, 2024. The National Postal Exhibition (BIPEX 2024) commenced in Patna. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs under Prime Minister Narendra Modi has sanctioned rupees 1,750 crore for the Tata One hydroelectric project in Arunachal Pradesh. Next, the Indian Navy conducted a successful test of the K4 ballistic missile, which took place in the Bay of Bengal and involved the new nuclear power submarine INS Arighat. The missile has a range of 3,500 km. Indian Army launches Eklavya online learning platform. Next, India International Science Festival IISF 2020 will be held at IIT Guwahati. Gujarat's Gharchola receives geographical indication tag recently. Next, African Open will Stork makes a rare appearance in Kerala. Assam launches State Commission for Right to Public Services. Sinbex is the first joint exercise between the Indian Army and the Cambodian Army. It will be commenced on December 1, 2024 and will conclude on December 8, 2024. The exercise takes place at the Foreign Training Node in Pune, Sinpex in Pune. Next, the 14th Asia Oceania Meteorological Satellite Users Conference AOMSUC 14 will be held in New Delhi. The fourth India-Malaysia Joint Military Exercise Harimau Shakti has begun at Bentong Camp in Malaysia, Pahang District. Uber has introduced Asia's first water transport service, Uber Shikara in Dal Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. World Maritime Technology Conference 2024, Chennai. Approval for 9 support centers for Indian women facing distress abroad. West Bengal has gained recognition as a premier heritage tourism destination by UNESCO. Next, 9th International Conference on Waste to Wealth will be held in New Delhi. Next, President Yoon Suk Yeol declared martial law in South Korea, which led to protest and political turmoil. New criminal laws launched in India. First is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, second is Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and third is Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. Oxford Word of the Year 2024 Brain Rot. India and the UK recently convened the second 2+2 foreign and defence dialogue in New Delhi in 2024. A new bill, the Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidhek 2024, was introduced by Union Aviation Minister Mr. Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu. The bill replaces the outdated Aircraft Act of 1934. Next, the 29th CII Partnership Summit took place in New Delhi. Netumbo Nandi Nadiadwa, first female president of Namibia. The Indian Society of Aerospace Medicine is hosting its 63rd annual conference, which takes place at the Institute of Aerospace Medicine in Bengaluru. Pooja Sharma has gained recognition for her remarkable work in Delhi. She has performed funeral rituals for over 4,000 unclaimed bodies and has earned her a spot on the BBC's list of 100 inspiring women for the year 2024. The International Gita Mahotsav 2024 commenced in Kurukshetra. India wins Hockey Junior Asia Cup title defeating Pakistan. The 16th Brihes Summit commenced in New Delhi, which centers on accelerating climate action in the built environment. Next, RubberCon 2024 will take place from December 5 to 7 in Kochi, hosted by the Indian Rubber Institute and the International Rubber Conference Organization. Next, Google opens Safety Engineering Center in Hyderabad. Next, India has recently received the ISSA Good Practice Award for Asia and Pacific 2024. Next, Cabinet approves of 85 new Kendriya Vidyalayas across India. Next, India has selected to chair the 68th session of the Commission on Narcotic Drugs. Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav, a cultural celebration 2024, it will be held in New Delhi. Michelle Bachelet, former President of Chile, has been awarded the 2024 Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development by the Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust. Next, Himachal Pradesh Drone Station for Disaster Management. World Bank pledges $100 billion to support poorest nations. The first annual review meeting of Rural Technology and Action Group (RUTEC 2.0) occurred on December 5 to 6, 2024 at SKUAST in Srinagar. Uttar Pradesh became first state to fully implement GEM Government e-Market. Tourism Ministry allocates ₹25 crore for big temple development. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to launch Bima Sakhi Yojana in Panipat on December 9, 2024, which aims to enhance education and empower women in the region. Next, artist Jaslin Kaur has won the 2024 Turner Prize for the exhibition Alter. Next, Ritambara Jean Emmanuel Ouedraogo, new Prime Minister of Burkina Faso. The India Internet Governance Forum (IIGF 2024) is scheduled for December 9 to 10, 2024 at Bharat Mandapam Convention Centre, New Delhi. International Anti-Corruption Day observed on December 9. The Andhra Pradesh government has initiated the AP Urja Veer scheme, which aims to enhance energy efficiency and sustainability. Next, the International Energy Agency has hosted the groundbreaking conference on December 4-5, 2024 in Paris. Gorakhpur is set to establish India's first integrated waste management city-cum-learning center by September 2025, aiming to create a garbage-free environment. Next, recent events in the Middle East highlight escalating challenges with the situation in Syria remains critical after the rebels overthrew Bashar al-Assad. This turmoil extends across Gaza and Lebanon, and S. Jaishankar addressed these issues at Manama Dialogue in Bahrain. India's first Hyperloop test track completed at IIT Madras. The PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, launched on February 15 in 2024, has a budget of Rs 75,021 crore, which aims to establish 10 million rooftop solar plants by March 2027. Next, over 77% of the Earth's land became drier in last 30 years. This is by UN report. Next, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is set to commission the Indian Navy's latest frigate, INS Tusil, at Yantr shipyard in Kaliningrad, Russia. Next, Sanjay Malhotra has been appointed as the new governor of RBI for a 3-year term. Disease X is a new illness causing alarm in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It has flu-like symptoms. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister for Science and Technology, recently launched the Amrit Gyan OS portal, which aims to improve governance training of public administrations in India. Next, Google has launched its latest quantum chip, Willow, an advancement in quantum computing technology. Next, the UNEP recently honored six individual and initiatives, including initiatives as champions of the Earth for the year 2024, making their contribution to environmental protection and sustainability. First is Mr. Madhav Gadgil, an estimated ecologist from India, received the Lifetime Achievement Award. His work focuses on protecting biodiversity, particularly in the Western Ghats. Next, second, Sonia Guajajara, Brazil's Minister for Indigenous People, was awarded in the Policy Leader category. Third, Amy Powers Cordials received the Inspiration and Action Award. She is known for her work on the Klamath River restoration. Fourth, Gabriel Paul, a Romanian activist, also known in the Inspiration and Action category. He founded Agent Green, an initiative to combat deforestation in the Carpathian Mountains. Fifth is Lu Kui, a Chinese scientist who has honored the Science and Innovation category. And sixth and the last is SEKEM. This is an Egyptian initiative received the Entrepreneurial Vision Award for promotes sustainable farming. Next point is the 11th meeting of the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services (IPBES) commenced in Namibia on December 10, 2024. IIT Madras unveils detailed 3D images of human fetal pain. Next, India has reached a total fertility rate of 2.0, which aligns with the goal of the National Population Policy 2000 and the National Health Policy 2017. IIT Guwahati innovates biofuel production from methane and CO2. The Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways is hosting the inaugural India Maritime Heritage Conclave on December 11 to 12, 2024 at Yasomumi Convention Centre, New Delhi. Next, the Abhatyasevar Temple in Thukkachi, a 1300-year-old Chola dynasty structure in Tamil Nadu, Tanjore district, has gained international recognition by UNESCO 2023 award for distinction for its exceptional conservation efforts. Google unveils GenNext for weather forecasting. India-Russia radar deal, Voronezh radar. AVPN South Asia Summit 2024 that will be held in Chennai. Madhav Gadgil receives Champion of the Earth Award 2024. Total 6 persons awarded and initiatives. The Reserve Bank of India has recently revised its growth forecast for 24-25 and estimate stand at 6.64. In contrast, S&P Global maintains a slightly higher projection for India as 6.8%. India and Nicaragua sign impactful sign agreement. Next, India to launch Bharat Antariksh Station by 2035. The National Panchayat Award 2024 honored 45 ex exemplary panchayats. The 22 Divya Kala Mela 2024 will be held at India Gate, New Delhi. Uttarakhand is set to host the World Ayurveda Congress and Arogya Expo 2024. This year marks a historic milestone as Uttarakhand became the first Himalayan state to host the Congress. Next one, the Pathai initiative was recently launched in Chennai by Social Welfare and Women Empowerment Minister Geeta Jeevan and aims to support first-time child offenders, addressing their unique needs through a comprehensive approach. India D Cookies achieved a historic milestone by winning the 2024 World Chess Championship by defeating China's Ding Lian, becoming the youngest world chess champion at just 18 years old. Next, Mohammad al-Bashir, Syria's new prime minister. India achieved remarkable success at the 2024 Asia Pacific Deep Games held in Kuala Lumpur. The team returned home with an impressive total of 55 medals. India signed 13,500 crore defense contract with HAL for 12 Su-30 MKL aircraft. The ninth India-Thailand Defence Dialogue was held in New Delhi in 2024. India has witnessed a remarkable increase in women-led business. Over 2.2 crore women-owned MSME have been registered through various government initiatives. The Central Water Commission has released its study titled Assessment of Water Resources of India. In the year 2024, the Brahmaputra, Ganga and Godavari basins, the Brahmaputra, Ganga and Godavari basins have the highest water availability. Arctic First Ice-Free Day by 2030. Recent studies shows this. The Central Water Commission, it has already, yes. The European Space Agency (ESA) has officially confirmed the Envision mission to explore Venus. India is currently grappling with hurdles in its effort to reduce the fiscal deficit to 4.5% of GDP by the fiscal year 25-26, which peaked at 9.5% of GDP during the pandemic, mm, that is COVID-19. Second, India-Iran-Armenia Trilateral Talk 2024 will be held in New Delhi. Next, India, France and the UAE have commenced an air combat exercise named Desert Night over the Arabian Sea. Phase 1 of the E-Code project commenced in 2011 and concluded in 2015. Phase 2 spanned from 2015 to 2023. Next, India becomes first nation to define green steel standard. Next, ADB approves $500 million loan for India's sustainable infrastructure. The fourth National Conference of Chief Secretaries 2024 is taking place in New Delhi, led by Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Switzerland suspend most favored nation status to India. The Ministry of Heavy Industry has established four smart advanced manufacturing and rapid transformation hub Samarth centers aiming to enhance competitiveness in the Indian capital goods sector. The centers are strategically located in Pune, Delhi and Bangalore, focusing on Industry 4.0 technology. Britain has officially become the first European nation to join the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, making the UK the 12th member of this influential trade group. Mikhail Kavelsvili elected President of Georgia. Next, Gympie, the world's most toxic plant, India's women's hockey team trumped in the Women's Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024 held in Muscat, Oman. India's first diabetic biobank is in Chennai. Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project at Godavari sanction. It is in Telangana. Moldova joins International Solar Alliance. PM Modi's Rajasthan visit for infrastructure project worth rupees 46,300 crore. SLINEX 2024 is to take place in Visakhapatnam. SLINEX began in 2005 as a bilateral naval exercise between India and Sri Lanka. The 10th International Forest Fair commenced in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The 38th National Games will take place in Uttarakhand from January 28 to February 14, 2025. Have won India's first analog space mission. Delhi and Bangalore lead in India's crypto investment. India's alternative assets market set to reach $2 trillion by 2034. Bharat India's first multimodal AI initiative. Masali village, located in Swigam Taluka of Banaskantha, has recently received the distinction of being India's first solar-powered border village. Situated approximately 40 kilometers from the Pakistan border, New Delhi to host 25 Para Athletics World Champion Estirinkiere Spirit Knight, that is his work, wins the 2024 Sahitya Akademi Award in English language. She is basically from Nagaland. St. ISRO launches ExpoSat for cosmic research. The 2024 Travel and Tourism Development Index (TTDI) by the World Economic Forum (WEF) ranked 39 out of 19 countries. India. Prasad aimed at enhancing pilgrimage sites. The Phewa Dialogue series commenced recently, marking collaboration between Nepal and China in Pokhara. Next point, the India State of Forest Report 2023 (ISFR). This is biennial report. India's total forest and tree cover spans 827,357 square kilometers, constituting 25.17% of the nation's geographical area. Dinga Dinga is a mysterious illness that is related to Uganda. India ranks 49 in National Readiness Index 2024. India to host ISSF Junior World Cup in 2025. The PSLV C60 SpaceX mission is dedicated for launch on December 30, 2024 at the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The mission aims to demonstrate in space docking technology, vital for future lunar explorations and the establishment of India's Bharatiya Antariksh Station. Next, India has recently inaugurated its first biomethane-based national highway stretch on NH44 in Nagpur, Bihar to host Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025. Indore Airport to become India's first zero-waste airport. Republic Day 2025 develops theme Swarnim Bharat विरासत और विकास. Next point, Asian Development Bank to lend $500 million to India for sustainable infrastructure. Former SC Judge V. Ramasubramanian appointed as National Human Rights Commission chairperson. Next, Madhya Pradesh named a global designation for 2025 by Wall Street Journal. India-Nepal joint military exercise. This is next point. Surya Kiran 2024 will be held in Nepal. Rajasthan launches M-SAN policy. BD 4752, India's biggest and advanced crawler dozer. Awesome, new African Union mission approved for Somalia. Denmark Strait Cataract, the world's tallest and largest underwater waterfall. Koneru Hampi wins 2024 Fidei Women's World Rapid Championship. Maharashtra launches its first made in India surgical robot. India to host World Audio Visual Environment Summit Waves 20. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and moving ahead with cgs.insight. The PDF link is given in the description. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.